Hey guys, welcome to Wrench to Drive WPL C24 edition. I decided to do a little project here, guys, because we have to be careful with our cash expenditures in this hobby and our use of space. How many cars do you want sitting around, and how much money do you want to spend on them? So instead of buying the flat deck version, the B14 of the WPL trucks, of the little Toyota trucks here, I decided to make a back half for it, do a little bit of modificating, and as you can see, what we ended up with is a custom electronics tray on the bottom here, roll bar, back roll bars, a bed, and a few little odds and sods of mounting pieces. So the way I set this up, guys, is I made the mounts for the electronics tray separate from the tray itself and screwed them on, but if you're inclined to print this with the mounts built right in, all you got to do is print the version that I post with all the mounts included. There's also a mount on the side here for the roll bar, so it mounts the roll bar to the body and to the electronics tray, so it makes kind of all this one integral piece. The back hoops, or the back, whatever, the trailing bars are hooked into the roll bar here with M2 screws. These are all M2 screws. And then the back can be screwed on. There's some holes in the tubes. I haven't decided how I want to mount this yet. I didn't think this through as well as I had thought. And one of the only problems right now is if all this is tied together, how do you take it off? It's kind of a pain in the butt. So I'm trying to decide how I want to do that. Part of me really likes having the back half separate from the front half, but I'm a little bit torn on that. I'm trying to decide. Anyways, oh, and then the deck has some mounts. Let's try and get a shot here. Yeah, there we go, right there. See where my finger is pointing? Boop, boop, boop. That just mount to the chassis, so super easy. And I made it all separate pieces just because I don't like printing everything in one big massive chunk. I prefer to have pieces that are easy to print and don't waste a bunch of plastic with supports and whatnot. This version that you see right here, you might have noticed there's a bit of a problem. I got the hinge mounts for the box slightly off. I'm not sure if I made a mistake or if it's kind of the way it fits together, but the finished version, they're moved back 3 millimeters so that the box should mount no problem. It's kind of a combination, guys. The hinges I don't think are in the ideal spot, and the roll bar also gets in the way, as you can see right there. It just kind of the roll bar is a hair too narrow, but the way the roll bar fits, it connects to the body just perfectly the way it's set up right now. So I don't think I'm gonna change that. I might move the bend up slightly, but I also like the way that sits against the body. So anyways, we'll see. I'm going to post these very shortly. They'll be up when you see this video. So by all means, if you're interested, print this bad boy out and give it a go. It printed really nice. It was easy. I think I'm going to add a cross brace for this actually as well, because if it rolls over or something, I think these could get broken quite easily. But yeah, there you go. So that's a quick update, quick video on this. It's really easy to put together. If you can put together the truck, you can put together these parts, no problem. So yeah, let me know what you think. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Wrench to drive, or drive to wrench.